puking fluid anywhere. We don't have any crazy noises, but does the transmission work? So before we let it down, we can test it out. Reverse. I felt it clunk. We have reverse. All right. Let's drive. And we have drive. Shifted. Hard to tell the shifts. I know it shifted at least once there. Let's manually do it. See if we have all of our gears. So we're in first. Second. There, go back. You can see better here. So we're in second. We shifted to third. And there went fourth. Let's run through that again. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Because there's really no load on it, you don't really see the RPMs drop, you see the speed go up. Alright, let's, we've run it through the gears. I wouldn't say it's hot, but it's definitely where we can check the fluid again. So I'm going to check the fluid, and then I need to cut it off, check the oil, and then I think I'm going to put it down, and we'll take it for a test drive. Get rid of all those leaves. We're out driving. I'll show you all the second, third, fourth, converter lockup. So the way this converter works now, you know, before it had that PWM, and it would, you know, slip the converter to make it, it would slip the converter to make it where you didn't feel it lock up. And that big spring that the kit included, what that did is it bypassed it to where it was basically converter on, converter off. And the kit that I got, that Transco kit, what it does the same thing, except it turns that into that valve, that PWM valve. It turns it into a pressure regulator. And so it keeps the converter from getting too much pressure and harming the converter, but turns it to on-off function, so you don't get that slipping. As soon as it calls for converter lockup, it's not a slip into lockup, it's a lockup. So it feels kind of like another shift, similar to how the my TH350C operates. You can feel it. It almost feels like another gear when it locks up. But we've got nice, quick shifts shifts really quick. Converter lockup. Works really well. So we're just driving it a little bit to see. I gotta put some miles on it. My inspection sticker is expired, but since the battery's been disconnected, you know, the emission status is not gonna be ready on all the computers. So we gotta get some miles on it before we can go get it inspected. But we'll get it inspected and should pass. Shouldn't be any issues. It didn't have any check engine lights or anything before, so I don't think it'll have any issues. So looks like for right now it's working. Let's just pray that it continues to function. It took long enough to do it. I don't want to do it again. It's just hard to find the time to do it. So anyway, thanks for watching and sticking with me throughout this long series of videos. I held off on uploading any of them so I could do them all at once. So, you know, if you've watched this, you probably noticed in the disassemble videos it was cold. I was running the heater in the shop. But, you know, I disassembled this thing back in December or January. I think I pulled it out of the Suburban in November or December and then tore it down January, and the putting it all back together has been a process for the rest of the time. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more. Thanks.